Yo, hello, good night. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Please tell a friend how we again. You know, say, I watch a video on social media today, and I see a brother. I talk to the news media and I say, yo, the parish council and the sugarcane company I try to remove some people off our land. You see me? And man, I say them go on one meeting and them talk and them think everything was gonna be good, but obviously it's not good. You see me? So I guess them call the news channel and I report it to the news channel. But my point is, how the hell can the sugarcane company remove people from off our piece of land if the land does not belong to the sugarcane company? Not because the people cannot afford, you know what I say, to pay for a lawyer to take this matter to court. When you think you can just bully the people off of the land. Even if I phone the land, them people that live there long enough and them build up them house there long enough, they might think of elemental domain. You see me? Once them pay them taxes and everything, only can just go remove them off of the land. And the Jamaican government know all of them something here, and them now try to help the people them, the citizens them, in a for them own country. Them would rather push out the citizens them of the country just to gain a little bit of wealth from whatever kickback I got come in from this project. So them willing to tell the people them, you know, bulldoze along the people them place and all kind of thing. No. What me don't like about these things, you know, because like me say, me not start bonfire for Andrew, you know. So when I like me, I don't care, you know. I mean, I like you neither, you know. Because you think Andrew a fool? Andrew is a master, he's a genius. Because when them took me happen, it never fall back on him. Never. That means this man is clearing him way all the way. I don't tell you we are bonfire. Him not really care what we are talking about because him a clear for him way. Because him always appointed somebody else. Right? To come talk up in them cases and them matter here. Because him know say, when shit hit the fan, I feel him name. Even though I still feel him name, I go call. When shit hit the fan and them go to court and all of the things them happen, I go be the one to walk away. Because there will be no proven evidence unless them have digital trail, money trail and all of them things there. And them been looking for this for how long now and can't find that. You see me? So, who owns sugarcane company? Is this a businessman, a foreign businessman who came to Jamaica to do business and now think him can put out Jamaican born citizens from a community where them build and develop? Him think him have the right to just go there and put them out and put them off of them land or them property? You done lost your goddamn mind. The owner for sugarcane company in Jamaica, you done lost your fucking mind. If you think we, the Jamaican citizens, is gonna stand up and allow you to do that to the rest of our brothers and sisters, no fucking way gonna happen. And you know, me have something else to say to you, know. You see, all our police and soldiers with Jamaica, you should be ashamed of your fucking self. Most of our garrison youth, born and grown a garrison. And I'm gonna start burn some fire on the dog. Because here we go on. You don't want to tell me, say, them have a law where them pass from World War I between Germany, right? And waiting in the way of the war, in a World War I, right? And them pass a law because them would say Hitler did give out orders and the SS soldier them did give out orders. See? And when time them hold on from the soldier them must say, yo, they was just carrying out orders. So they make a law after that. And I say, yo, if you are in an infantry, any military, police, whatever squad are you in, and you feel like you get an order and the order is not right, you have the right to turn it down and deny it. So I want to say to all of you Jamaican police and soldiers, on that bloodthirsty to kill people, just to walk around to say, Una is a killer or a hitter. When you know say the order them what them are given to you is wrong. Because every man have a right for a second chance and is there in court. So why only keep on carrying out these orders? Devastating the nation. Why? Why only can't say no? Put the foot down and say enough is enough. I seen a constable came out when named Constable David. And this man speak his mind. And I respect that man to the fullest. That Constable David, you have earned my respect. You are probably one of the only police officer in Jamaica right now who earn my respect. Because I love the way you came up and talk up about the orders them that been given and you think it's not right, and I respect that. As a man, you have to stand for something. You see me? So I respect that Constable David. Respect you. Manners and respect to you, my boss. You see me? I wish the rest of police and soldier them can be like you, right? Because there's no man, like I said, no man have the right to give a next man an order to take a next man's life. No care what a next man do. So who the hell you think you is? For you to give them order there and think people will carry it out. And then people, family, have to live with that. Because you are the government or you the leader of the country. You know what I say? Or you the one who call the shot for the military and the police force. Foolish I go on with. Foolish the whole I go on with. You not follow blind. Blind and lead the blind. Because all no better than the criminal them. Me keep on asking you this. Always you know better than the criminal them. If we don't catch them, we not murder them and we not bring them in for trial and rehabilitation. So they expect the criminal them to be good. Eh? We don't expect them to be good. The shame of all I want the police and soldier board at Jamaica who carry out these atrocities against the nation. Shame on you because 3/4 of you in the force. 3/4, maybe 85% of you a garrison you come from. And most of you look like a feelings you not carry because when you're in the garrison you couldn't do certain things. So when you go turn police and soldier, I feel like say, oh, no other time you can get for just mash up some on the boy. Because I don't like enough of them like people. Because Jamaican and I won't like people, you know. Me not like people. They are Jamaicans, I mean no. So, brother, one of you stop carry out them blood clot act against the nation. I want the brother and sister. If them send them for a man, go for the man and carry the man, brother. Make the man stand trial. You know what I say? Make him get him there. No, if him come out back and him start act up again, by all means. By all means. You know what I say? And at time for no boy start wear camera upon the blood clot body armor and thing. Because now I get away too much crime and blood clot Jamaica. Too much crime and I get away. Too much innocent to now blood clot arm. You see me? And I get away the whole of them thing there. A time for them bomb buckler thing they stop. Time for them thing they stop. What do I mean about now go chew off the people man for them blood clot land? Who the fuck is sugarcane owner? For him can go Jamaica go chew off the people man for them land. Eh? I pay a fuck you go on about buckler Jamaica when man talk to man come tell man about man ignorant. So me supposed to they attack like me as a diplomat. Eh? And a reason who don't like me a blood clot. Wait name there? Eh? We can't converse with idiot and fools. Because one time man talk like this, the whole of they don't go like say, yo, oh man, this is kind of thing. And so we have to talk to them. You can't talk to them nice. You cannot talk to them nice, brother. So you have to make them know what I go on. Because look at them a try. Them a try put out the people on for them bomb buckle and I fuck with them and go on with. Fuck with them and go on with. And the blood clot police and the soldier security force. I back them with them fuckery like them now, mother and father and sister and brother. We living at the garrison. But wait till the tables turn and want a phone a niece or a phone a nephew, or a phone a mother and brother and sister. Imagine 29-year-old police officer, a box up a blood clot, 83-year-old elder. No one say, because my police could have do that because there's no community in Jamaica you could have go do that. Unless you're a police or a soldier. Because I guarantee you wouldn't blood clot walk out of that community there. Go in a community of Jamaica and try that and beat up. Not elder at Jamaica. So you have to be a police. And you're not using the power if you abuse it. You're not abusing the power. And people, frankly, people tired of that shit now. People tired of it. You know much things people are saying in my inbox because them can't blood clot voice them opinion. Because them say, youth, you're the only man. I say right now I stand up strong for Jamaica. You see me? And guess what? And me alone them not support. Nobody not support me, but guess what? I'm still a bonfire because listen, like me say, everybody have to stand for something. And right now, I'm willing to put my blood clot waiting upon the line. Because nothing to me like Jamaica. From that far me I get in a blood clot. Problem about Jamaica. And the first time I fight is a boy at a blood clot school. I come tell me say a banana about the company. And I'm Asian. So I say, yo, which way you come from? I say 80. I say, you tell me say a banana about the company and blood clot 80 you come from. Blah, 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 blah. You see me dog? Start fuck him up. So a long time I got through this. And I just now from Miami. You see me? Time and time. So no boy can't come blood clot tell me nothing about yo, you live a foreign and waiting. The nigga me live a foreign, me a Jamaican to the heart. Fullest. Fully Jamaican, ask anybody about me. Fully Jamaican. No boy can't go around the thing. You see me? So when time I come talk on the blood clot waiting, me have all right for talk. I say what I want to say. I want to like come here say, too bad. Because fire we have one pound about buckler. At time for me to stop the fuck with on Jamaica. Lord the people in Pitney. Lord the people in the land. You see me? Because this earth is free. This earth is a free blood clot place. Who good in the authority to own land and own so much land? And I tell people say them can't live this and can't live this. Eh? When you give poor people money for buy land? Eh? When I give poor people housing to live? So I'm not telling man them say them can't go now we go build a plan. When time I own land, vacant land. Eh? Men and Lord the people them, man. Lord the people them. Because remember we tell us a straight fire go burn if you never blood clot here down them place there. Round the sun. Straight fire. Oh, when you think you don't see nothing yet, when you go and play with Jamaican people, you hear? Global Watch Be there. Tell a friend and we again. Boom, 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 boom.